Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add subscription product in WooCommerce. Let's get started. So what you can do is you can head over and install the subscription for WooCommerce right here. So head over and then install this particular plugin right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to just use it. Now, once you have installed it, you should be able to see in here WP Swings. So here's WP Swings right here. Click on the subscription for WooCommerce just on the hover from that. Now in here you should be able to see this, and this is what it looks like right now. So this is what it looks like. You can show in here the monthly revenue and all of that stuff. Now you can also see in here the subscription table that you should be able to offer. Now this is what it looks like right now. Once you have properly installed this, you can head over and add a new product. So for example, let's put in here a software subscription. Now in here, once you have added this, scroll down and under this product data, make sure that it's a simple product and then put in here a price as well as sale price that you want added. So for this case, what we can do is we can see that we have in here a subscription. So head over and then just check this subscription right here. Once you have done this, you can see this subscription settings, and in here you can put in here a subscription per interval. I'll just put in here 1 month, and you can enter in here subscription and expiry as well as the sign up fee if you have any, as well as a free trial interval if you want. Once you have done this, just scroll up and then update or publish this particular product that you have just created. So just click on this link right here in order to see what it looks like. And in here you can see this. We have now this $14.99 per month for 1 month with a free days free trial. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.